Today I'll show you how to make a stunning summer wreath for your front door on a budget. Welcome to the Chic Show. Today's video is part of a playlist hosted by DIY with Aria and Lily D's Creations called Wood Round or Wreath Wednesdays. I'm using this Hello Summer sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm removing all of the dangly pieces as well as the ribbon. I'm also using this wreath form from Dollar Tree, and I have this ribbon that I found in a box of ribbon at a thrift store for $5. There was a ton of ribbon in this box, so this is definitely budget friendly. So I'm using strips of the ribbon and I'm wrapping it around those inner two rings all the way around the wreath. When I get to a crossbar, I am cutting the ribbon and I'm splitting it so that I can go around that crossbar. I'll continue wrapping each section until the entire inner circle is covered. Now I'm going to be using this pink ribbon, and I'm just cutting them in strips of about 3 inches, and I'm cutting one end of it in a dovetail. Now I have flipped the wreath form over, so on the back I'm going to be gluing the ribbon strips onto the part that we've just covered. And you do want to tuck those ribbon tails down under there, because remember, we're working from the back right now. And then when we get to that crossbar part, we're going to split that ribbon again and glue it in place. And this is how it's looking so far. And I'll continue in this manner until I go all the way around the wreath form. Now for the last ring, I'm cutting strips of 7 or 8 inches of ribbon, and I am dovetailing both ends. Next, I'm folding the ribbon in half, and I'm feeding it underneath those last 2 rings and hot gluing it down. Again, I'm working from the back. Now that the wreath is complete, I'm going to glue on this Hello Summer sign. I'm adding a bow to this wreath by really making a messy bow with all of these different strips of fabric. Ribbon, not fabric. I chose to tie on my ribbon, but you could hot glue it as well. As a finishing touch, I'm using one of these pineapples from Dollar Tree. It's kind of a chipboard product, and I'm going to glue that to the middle of the bow. I love the color combination here, and who knew I would find this much coordinating ribbon at a thrift store. I'm going to leave a link to the playlist in the description box below, along with our host channels. And also I'm going to leave you a video right here that I think you might like. Be sure and check it out. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to share the chic. Bye now.